Lamborghini is preparing to resume its production activity from 4 May, with the completion of the necessary preparatory measures within this week. At this stage it is of absolute priority for the Company of Sant'Agata Bolognese to be able to guarantee the return of its people in conditions of maximum safety. The preparatory activities for the reopening on 4 May were the subject of ongoing discussion and definition within the framework of the Joint Company-Syndicate Committee on the COVID-19 emergency, set up in the aftermath of the temporary suspension of activities on 13 March. Over the past few weeks, the parties have worked together on an articulated protection protocol, which regulates the methods of return and the safety devices to be adopted for maximum protection of human health, starting from the widespread training campaign.